often get asked, what's the best essential oil to start off with? And hands down, my answer is lavender. Lavender essential oil is super gentle. It has many benefits and it's very popular. Most people like lavender essential oil. In this video, I'll talk about how to use the oil, how it works, and make sure you know how to use it safely. One of my favorite things about lavender essential oil is how gentle it is. You can use it with kids aged 2 and up. I love diluting it and putting it in a bath for my daughters to help set them up for a good bedtime. Lavender essential oil is also really good for skin care. You can dilute it and apply it to irritated areas or dry areas to help soothe them. Another great thing about lavender is that it has such a calming aroma. When you put this in a diffuser, it creates a calming and relaxing atmosphere. I know a lot of people like to put it in their diffuser before they go to bed at night to create that calming atmosphere. That calming smell of lavender is also a good deodorizer. You can use it, mix it with some baking soda, put it in your garbage, or sprinkle it over your carpet to help refresh the smell of your home. When you're feeling a lot of stress, it really takes a toll on your immune system. Using lavender essential oil can help reboost your immune system by calming down those stressful emotions. So let's talk about how lavender essential oil works, and I'll also mention the difference between lavender 4042 and regular lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil works through its naturally occurring chemicals, linalool and linyl acetate. These are the two main constituents in the oil, and it brings out its aroma and calming qualities. In nature, these chemicals can vary how much they exist within a lavender plant, which means between batches of lavender essential oil, they can smell a lot different. That's where lavender 4042 comes in. This is a mixture of different batches of lavender essential oil to create that classic lavender scent. When you think of lavender, lavender 4042 is the smell you're going to think of. It's developed to be 40% linalool and 42% linyl acetate. That way you know you're getting that lavender smell, which is really popular for people who like to make DIY products with a consistent aroma. Most lavenders in the essential oil market are lavender 4042. So that brings us to our other Simply Earth lavender essential oil. So on our website, this lavender is called Lavender Bulgaria, which is its origin, and this oil is distilled straight from nature. It's not mixed with other batches of lavender essential oil, which means that its aroma can vary from batch to batch. Our Lavender Bulgaria has a more fruity scent compared to traditional lavender 4042. So if you are loving the benefits of lavender but don't love that super floral smell, I think you'll love Lavender Bulgaria. Whereas if you love the classic smell of lavender, stick with lavender 4042. So let's make sure you know how to use lavender essential oil safely. Lavender is considered one of the most gentle oils. It's really unlikely to cause any skin irritation, but always dilute an essential oil before putting it on your skin. Lavender essential oil can be harmful to cats, so avoid using it around your pet. And be mindful of your pet's behavior if you do use this oil. It is unlikely to be irritating to dogs. And this oil is safe to use with kids aged 2 and up. For recipes to use with lavender essential oil, check out the blog post in the description. Thanks for watching. For essential oils made easy, subscribe to these videos.